waiting for the hummingbirds to fly by, sitting peacefully in the morning light, asking nothing in return. She's waiting for the hummingbirds to fly by with the most beautiful smile. With the most beautiful smile. When I'm around her, I feel safe. There's a magic river flowing in her gaze. She gives me real love all the time. She gives me real love, it's all that matters now. She gives me real love. She's waiting for the hummingbirds to fly by. Poisoning thoughts, let them go now. Follow the music. Forget about those people try to bring you down. Just follow the music. Poisoning thoughts, let them go now. Follow the music.
Let's say the things that we both know. Gonna take these words and make them stone. I know a place on the edge of town where whiskey and the wind are the only sound. Let's make like a tree, grow some roots, do all the things that old folks do. I need you and you need me. What else more could someone need? You've got a key and I've got a lock. Let's build a house upon a rock. Let's build a house upon a rock. Want someone to lie with, rely on to fly with. Wanna drive all night and head out west. Get lost in Montana, find the Santa Ana. If we're going nowhere, we're going nowhere fast. Hard times come and hard times pass. I'll be there when the sky turns black.
Different waves, different strands of life, primal codes, cryptic by design. We just float, like two floating looks. The river's wild, there's no way to pose. And if you fear, you know what there's in store. tight. You're out for some fun, and if you think you know what fate's in store, brace yourself for change. 'Cause your is never set in stone, and things go down with a magic of their own. And when you think you gotta figure it out, life has its way to drop you from the clouds. So we hang onto hose more things, trying to guess